What's up, guys? I'm making some money. I gotta powder coat these things. I got business. Business means money. So these are snowmobile springs. They're red, okay? They're really ugly. They're all like coming apart. Disgusting, right? I'm gonna show you how to prep this, okay? How are we gonna strip it? How's it gonna happen? What would you do if you had to strip this? Are you gonna sit there and sandblast it? How long is that gonna take? Are you going to sand it with a hand sander? How the hell are you gonna get in all the tight spots? What are you gonna do? I'm gonna show you how I do it. And it's up to you to judge how I'm probably doing it like a terrible way. I'm acting like I got like a genius plan here. No, I'm just doing it my way. Check it out, stay tuned. I'm gonna do these and some other parts right now. I got all these arms to do, some other parts, but basically I want to focus on the spring because I'll show you on here. This is kind of the most intricate piece as for stripping, kind of. I'll show you how I do this, and then you can kind of keep that in mind for everything else. Okay, so in behind all of this junk, I have an acid tank. All I have to do is get there. Now, I put all this junk in front of it on purpose because the acid tank that I use is called B17, and it's extremely dangerous, very, very dangerous. So I hide it and I cover it with stuff. So if somebody's visiting the shop, they can't accidentally get to it and hurt themselves when I'm not looking. So I'm gonna put this in the acid tank behind there. Okay, got the tank open. You have to be very careful with this stuff not to splash it. The tiniest bit on your skin will burn you. But basically what I do is I slowly put it down and I have it tied on the wire, and the wire will just chill there so I can pull it out when I'm ready. Here we go. Let's drop this guy in here. Is it gonna fit? Let's see. It's heavy. You have to be careful with these heavy ones that they don't splash on you. Drop it down. Man, got the vocals too, eh? Here we go. Almost. Oh, look at the bubbles. Just like when you're taking a bath and you let it rip, the bubbles is a good thing. Okay, everything that you saw on that table there, all those brackets, the two springs, those two big black arms, everything's in here in the tank. Okay, we got all the wires chilling out here so I can pull them all out individually. Once I pull them out, I'll rinse them off in this tank here, which is a cleaner solution. And B17, I really do not recommend using that if you are doing this stuff as a hobby, okay? If you're doing it at home or as a hobby, don't buy B17. It's too dangerous. Don't keep it around the house. It's extremely, extremely dangerous, and it's extremely expensive. That bit of acid that you saw in that tank, approximately between $1,500 and $2,000 worth of acid in there. Not cheap and hard to handle. Most companies will not ship it. You have to go find a place and pick it up because it's too dangerous for shipping. It's just extremely powerful, like a little splash on you. I've had it happen to me, and you get massive burns, like third-degree instant burns. It's extremely dangerous. So if you are going to use it, make sure you wear gloves, safety glasses, mask, suit up. I did not suit up today, so that's not good. I mean, I did wrong. I should have. I didn't. I was careful, but I don't recommend not suiting up. And I mean, especially since I've got burned so many times before from splashes, I should have done so. But anyway, make sure you do it. Safety first. But everything's in the tank, okay? In about half an hour, half an hour, perfect time for washroom break. Then I'm gonna pull it all out. lift it out of the tank into the cleaner solution, and the red off the springs and the bracket should be off, if not all, about 90% of it should just fall off. And the black from those arms should be off also. And let's see how it's gonna go. Okay, on the safety gloves. Let's see what the pieces look like. What do we got in the box? Let's see. All right. Last time I dropped the piece, and I went to the hospital with burns.
That's brutal.
Let's see what'll happen this time. Whoa! Look at that. You see that? Look at that. Can you see the paint just peeling off?
Wow.
See that? The paint is literally just peeling right off. That's what's up. No sanding, no sandblasting. You just dip it in and pull it out. Let it drain a little, because it's expensive. Hopefully it doesn't drop. That's the problem when the wire breaks. Dangerous. Okay, now into the cleaner tank, which isn't big enough for this piece. That's okay. Okay, let me show you something. If you can zoom into here. I know the light sucks, but watch that. Look at that. Peeling the paint.
Wow.
See that?
That's amazing.
Now I'm gonna grab. We have to improvise. When there's problems, what do we do, Warren? We improvise.
Improv, bud.
So the water tank's too small. We grab some water. Here we go. The water neutralizes the acid. That's why we're doing this.
Okay.
Just like that. Turn it around. A little more. A little bit up here. Okay. Check this out. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yo. The paint's right off.
Oh, that's clean.
See that? We'll put that aside. Grab the next piece. Who's next? It can be anybody. Oh shit, we're going for another big one. These are the most dangerous. Martin, how's the angle?
Perfect. That's what we want right there.
Okay.
You need me to zoom in? There we go.
Does it sound like I'm taking a piss?
A little bit.
The little dribbles? Okay. Into the water tank. And then our improvised water. Oh yeah. Good. Flip it around. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Martin, this one's done.
Nice.
Just like that, buddy. Put that off to the side. Next. Who's next, Martin?
Any more big pieces?
Nope. Now we got these really badass springs. Check this out. See the spring? All that red paint's off.
Wow.
Dip it in the water. Swish it around. Watch this. Ready? Look at that.
Clean.
Just metal.
Wow.
Right?
That
We
is
didn't have to
amazing.
sand it. We didn't have to sandblast it. We didn't have to do wire brush. We didn't have to do nothing to get that paint off. That's it. You just dip it in, pull it out.
That's actually really nice.
It's a time saver, right? It's like, do I need to go to the washroom? Yes. But I need to get these things done. Oh shit, what am I gonna do? Put it in the acid tank,
Yeah.
hit up the washer. Does the work for you.
Less prep.
Yeah, check that out. Remember these pieces?
Yep.
They're all red, look at that.
That's clean.
That's it.
No prep. That's nice.
You can see the paint just shriveling off. Shrivel being the key word here. And then dip it in the water. Swish it around. And when we pull it out, Martin, just like that. Last piece. Hopefully we didn't lose a piece in the tank somewhere, Martin.
Yeah.
But if we did, it's the customer's loss. We just say we never received it.
Ah, savage.
What piece?
it.
What are you talking
Yeah.
about? That's how we do it at Driven Office.
Amazing.
Okay, now we got this is a really expensive lid. Custom made for
Custom.
the acid tank.
Yeah.
Put that on.
Only the best.
And then what I do after, Martin, I put the safety latch on.
Best latch I seen.
That's it. Put the gloves away. Our work is done.
Beautiful.
That's it. Okay, so remember those springs? Here they are. Powder coated white. It went from the acid tank, got sanded down, and then got sprayed and baked in white. That's pretty much how you do it. And here's a couple of the black brackets. They're done in gloss white. Gloss black, not white. There's the springs. And there's the brackets. So that's how they turn out once they're restored. So I'm sure you guys will agree with me when I say that those pieces look amazing. And I'm sure you'll agree with me when I say that I look amazing. So that being said, putting all those things away, that's pretty much how we do it, okay? That's a really quick and simple way to strip product. Okay, let's just focus on the springs for now. But everything is done the same way. But basically, you saw them before. Put them in the acid, pull them out, rinse them, sand them down. You always want to still sand the product down because the acid can actually clean it enough for you where the product's going to come out like ready to spray for powder. Basically, you just need to wipe it down. It can do that. But you don't want to do that because if you do that, the powder doesn't have anything to really adhere to. So you still want to scuff it. You want to give it some scuff so it has something to bite onto. And you saw those springs. So pulled it out of the acid, put it in the wash tank, scuffed it down, cleansed it with the cleaner solution, sprayed and baked it. And they turned out amazing.